speed design ethically with Katso. I think it would be great to have that toolbox on how to steer the design in the right direction. That's a really tough one because there's so many great ones, but I'm really looking forward to Jared's spool. I really enjoyed his last speech From Business Buttons, and I'm curious to hear what he has to say about Agile in UX. First of all, meeting people in person and not just through a screen. Really looking forward to that. And then getting new insights, new input, and lots of inspiration. I'm really looking forward to it.